Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first video of the new year 2021. I hope you're having a wonderful new year so far. Let's take the lessons we've learned from 2020 and put them to make us a better person in 2021. I'm going to in my I'm actually working from home today. I have an hour lunch break and I'm using that to make a quick simple meal. When I say quick, I mean quick. The first thing I did when I got in the kitchen is I put on my white rice. I'm gonna make some coconut curry shrimp with fresh pumpkin. So this is pumpkin I have here. It's only a pound. Jade is not here, so I'm making a small batch. Today is my grandson, the one you heard in the video sometimes, making a ruckus. Today is his second birthday, so Jade is out with him and his mom, my other daughter. So guys, I'm gonna grind this fresh pumpkin up. Did I unplug something? I guess it needs me to hold on to it to make sure it stays in place. Pretty good. That's good enough. Okay guys, we're gonna move over to the stove. Okay, so the pot is ready with some olive oil in there. I'm gonna chop up pumpkin in here. To the chopped up pumpkin, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of my green marinade. I have to make another one on Friday. I'm gonna add a pinch of ginger paste to this. That's a little less than a teaspoon. Okay, so the pumpkin has been cooking about 2 minutes now. I'm going to add to the pumpkin. I have 2 carrots that I sliced here, big chunks. I'm adding a little bit more. You know the green seasoning already have fresh garlic in it. I'm adding some more garlic. This is about a teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm going to add a little seasoning. Here's a pinch of salt. This is black pepper. This is garlic powder. I have to keep stirring, make sure nothing sticks to this pot. Onion powder. smoked paprika. And let's grab the curry powder. Here I also have some bell peppers, green, yellow, and red bell pepper slices. Just a little bit more thyme, even though the green seasoning has fresh thyme. And you can't over season it with fresh herbs. So here's my can of coconut milk. I'm going to add to this now. I'm going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to cook this about 5 minutes. Now here's my shrimp. I have some extra large shrimp peel and devein. Didn't season them. I just sprinkled about a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice on them. Oh gosh, where's the camera? Yeah, about a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice on them. So I'll see you back in 5. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. Let's check this out. I'm ready to add the shrimp in. But I need to taste this and see if I'm missing anything besides the yeah, I was a little bit too short on the salt, even though I'm trying to be, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more. And I don't believe I added any seasoning salt. So let's do that now. This is Lottie seasoning salt. I'm going to add the shrimp in and 2 other seasonings. And that 2 other seasonings will be Old Bay to start off. And then some Creole seasoning, of course. Trying to stir this up enough and long enough so I can taste it. I'm going to add these 2 pieces of green onions. Perfect. Now the green seasoning had some Scotch bonnet in there, but like I told you, I don't like my food too spicy, and Jade and me fight about that all the time. But so I have 1 Scotch bonnet here. I'm gonna cut it up. I'm just gonna cut. I just cut down the middle of it so some of the heat will get in, not too much. And I'm gonna cook this for 10 minutes. And guys, I have 27 minutes left. on my lunch break. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. On my 15-minute break earlier, I peeled and chopped up the pumpkin and sliced up the bell peppers. Usually if Jade was here, because this is so simple, it's something she would probably cook herself. More than likely she would. She loves to cook shrimp, she loves to cook tilapia, and she loves to cook chicken breasts. So those things. But because she's not here, and I wanted some home cooked meal, I said I'm going to do this. I work till 11 p.m. So that's why I have to do this on my lunch break at 3 o'clock. I'm sorry, 5 o'clock. So guys, I will see you back in 10 minutes. I just come back to add about 2 tablespoons of butter to this. The pumpkin just helps to make the gravy so thick and nice. So guys, it's been 12 minutes since I've added the shrimp in here. That's pretty good. So that's it guys. Pumpkin coconut curry shrimp. This tastes so good, y'all. So good. Like I said, I'm on my lunch break. I just volunteered with my job to work this weird shift, 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So cooking has become a challenge. However, it was only for the last week of December and the month of January. February, I'll go back to a regular shift of 8 to 4:30. So cooking has become a challenge. I can only cook on my days off or do something quick on lunch break or Jade cook. But I'm figuring it out. So again, working from home. Like yesterday on my lunch break, I did laundry, sweeping up the floor. Today I'm cooking. You just got to learn to make things work. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you like what you see and you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Please support by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. I do appreciate the support. I thank you so much for your time. God bless you. I hope you have a happy, blessed, and prosperous New Year's. Remember, this is the year for divine favor. This is the year you will, ouch, if you haven't yet started, you will have clarification on the purpose that God has for your life. This is the year for new beginnings, new things, growth. So let's do that. 2020 taught us. Some of the things that 2020 taught me is basically to let go and let God. As if I didn't already know that, but it taught me that I had no choice. It taught me that when I trust in God, all things work for my good. It taught me the importance of spending time with my friends and family. It taught me the importance of loving on the ones that He has blessed us with. So I hope you sit down and not always think about the negatives of 2020, but also realize what it did for you. If you've lost a loved one, then I pray for you. I haven't, thank God. If you have lost a loved one, I am so sorry for your loss. My deepest condolences. And I pray that God will comfort you where you need comfort. I pray He will bring you joy again. Because He can and He will. Just look to Him, okay? Again, as you can see, I love to encourage people. So I'm getting ready to start a channel to do that. Again, thank you so much. God bless you. And you have a wonderful and prosperous New Year. Love you.